Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy Winnipeg. My name is Utshab. Today I wanted to show you the 2020 Hyundai Kona Ultimate 1.6T. That is a turbo. That's the last one we have from 2020, and just wanted to show you how much value you're getting. It's the perfect bang for your buck. Let's go check it out. Okay guys, so this is how the inside of the 2020 Hyundai Kona 1.6T looks like. Very clean and beautiful interior. It comes with a 7-speed dual clutch transmission system. On the left hand side of the steering wheel you will find very important buttons. The first one is the cluster brightness button, and then we have the blind spot collision warning button, and then we have the heads up display button. Following that you will find the lane keep assist and lane departure warning button, and finally you will see the traction control button on and off. Vehicle comes with a remote keyless entry with alarm. Also comes with a push button ignition. Let's have a quick look at the beautiful heads-up display. Here you are. Look at the beautiful 8-inch infotainment system with navigation. It is also equipped with the BlueLink connected vehicle system. It also has the rain-sensing windshield wipers. Also, a wireless charging pad that we all love nowadays. It also comes with a premium Infinity audio system with 8 speakers, beautiful sound system. The vehicle is equipped with all-season tires with 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. What can I say, folks? It is the perfect bang for your buck. Come over to Murray Hyundai, located in Waverly Auto Mall, 1700 Waverly Street. This is the last 2020 Hyundai Kona Ultimate we have in stock. Come and get it before it's gone. My name is Utshab once again, signing off. You can reach me at 204-800-7543. Of course, you can call me or text me, or simply come over to Murray Hyundai, and hope to see you soon.